Okay, so I'm talking about home
Where'd you get that hat at? Old Navy? I feel like everything you buy at Old Navy is torn. Why do you buy stuff at Old Navy?
They have it on special.
Yeah, they have really good prices.
And sometimes I need chonies, like right now.
So why are we here?
Well, today the Realty Agency is hosting their first home-in-one golf tournament.
Home in one. Home.
Home in one. I love wordplay.
Can we
Play
win
on
a home
words.
today?
But I can help you buy one. You can't win one.
Oh! We're here at the Desert Hills Golf Course.
It's a different setting from our office.
It's a beautiful day.
It is. Oh,
It's a beautiful day.
Oh, Debbie.
So Debbie, tell us what you do.
I am a realtor for the Realty Agency, Yuma's Best Realty.
Wow.
Company.
Yuma's Best.
Plug.
Is that going to be a regular
That's
thing
the
now?
thing to plug when they plug themselves. So Debbie, you deal with clients on a daily basis that want to purchase a home.
True.
We've talked about the buying process a little bit before on previous episodes. Can you explain a little bit more about how you deal with your clients since the beginning and the process it is to purchase a home?
So the very first step that I would highly advise if you're looking to purchase a home is to get pre-qualified, assess your financials, your credit, make sure that you're good to go. Otherwise, you are kind of blind shopping. You see something that you love, but you don't really know if you can afford it, and I don't want to make you fall in love with the home and then not deliver and give you that
It's
home.
like when I go buy a car, right? And I'm like, hey, I want that brand new truck, but I can only afford the Yugo.
Exactly.
Okay, so
Yes.
what you're basically saying is that they talk to a lender and they see where they're set for. That way they don't spend time looking at stuff that in reality might not happen.
Exactly, yep. We want to make sure
But you'll try to make it happen.
We will make it happen.
She makes dreams come true.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, very first step, make sure you get pre-qualified. Once you're pre-qualified, let's go on a shopping spree.
Shopping spree like that, gone wild.
We're going to identify your needs and wants in a home. Then we identify it, we go under contract, we go through that process.
People get a home inspection from us when they do the homeowner's insurance, and what we basically do is go out there and look that the home is insurable. If the roof is missing, if you got shingles missing, if you got tiles, we're not going to insure it until you get that repaired. If your paint is peeling, we're not going to insure it.
If you have, garbage outside, tires, used cars that you're not even using.
If you have a swimming pool that has no water in it,
Right.
we're going to call the realtor and say, hey, you better put some water in that before we can insure that home. So what is a home inspection?
So a home inspection is highly encouraged, and basically what it is you're hiring a professional inspector to go out and assess the sound of the home. So we're going to check the roof, the plumbing, the entire structure to make sure you know what you're buying.
Inside and out.
Exactly.
We look at the outside more. We really don't go inside the house to check when we do a home inspection. But this home inspector goes and checks inside and out. Who pays for the home inspection?
It's the buyer's cost. The buyer will pay for the home inspection.
So it's a Carfax, but for a home.
That's perfect. That's a perfect way of putting it.
Good analogy. I
Oh,
like
thank
that.
you. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So the home inspection, and then of course they got their loan approved. They like the house that's out over by the golf course. We make sure they have the right liability limits. We need to make sure that these things are going to be accepted by the insurance company, and that's what we are out there to do. Have you ever talked to your clients about bundling auto and home?
Absolutely.
Right.
So typically, I like to say, hey, insure your vehicles, your boats, your ATVs, and your home for a better price, and in turn that will give you a better monthly payment on your mortgage.
Because the lower your homeowner's insurance is,
The lower your payment.
because it's included in your escargot or your escrow.
Escargot.
Correct? Am I right
That
there?
is correct, yes.
Okay, so make sure you guys that you do talk to your realtor regarding where your insurance is going. A lot of the times the lenders somehow choose the insurance company, or they get quotes from different insurance company, and you really don't know where your homeowner's insurance is, which means you're losing on a lot of savings because you're not bundling your auto and home. We talked about this before. We just want to reiterate it before the year ends. The market right now, is it hot? How's it going out there?
It's a booming market, yes. So
It's a booming
Boom.
boom. So yes,
Rainbow.
if you're looking to buy or sell, now's the perfect time. What I wanted to touch on, Aaron, you mentioned about homeowners insurance and how important it is to have. I also think that it's important to have someone local. There's nothing like when I have a question about my homeowner's insurance and what it covers or how I can get that rate down. There's nothing easier for me than to have a local company that I can just walk into and say, hey, Aaron, can you explain this to me, rather than calling a 1-800 number and I don't ever see the face to the name. So it's nice that you guys are here and I can ask any questions.
And I have a lot of clients that have been coming to us for the same reason, that, I mean, they might be saving a couple of dollars, but in reality they're spending more time on the phone and they're getting all these people that they're talking to, not getting a straight answer, when in our case you can come straight to our office. We're located on 4th Avenue, 2052 South 4th Avenue, guys. You can come and talk to us.
in front of Dairy Queen.
Yeah. And then there's other companies out there that are even charging an extra service fee if you speak a different language.
Estoy enseñando inglés. Learning English.
Right.
Well, so in our office, we have the bilingual option, Spanish and English. If not, we can Google any other language that you might need help with. But like I said, we're there to serve the community. And like I said, keep it local is probably the smartest thing to do. Local business, local realtors, local insurance company, local lenders. I'm going to keep this local.
Local.
Debbie, I want to thank you for being on Insurance Talk today.
Thank you for having me,
I
Aaron
hope you
and
guys
Diana.
have a great turnout today on this golf tournament.
We have.
And the funds that you raise are going to what?
The Healing Journey. The Healing Journey is a great nonprofit organization. They're a recovery center for those who have suffered from trauma in their life, both children and adults, but their main focus is children. So we are so happy and overjoyed to be able to give back to the organization.
That's great, especially this holiday season. Let's try to give back, guys.
Yes.
Thank you, guys, and make sure to call Debbie on Cyber Monday or Black Friday. We'll have her contact information listed on the bio on our Facebook
We're going
page.
to have it on the bio.
Farmers Valentine Guzman Agency. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend.
Bye.